It's party time. Good morning, guys. Rise and shine. I'm not a morning person, but it's gonna be a good day. We're gonna make some healthy snacks and have some fun, so let me get up.
And good morning.
Oh, hello. Who am I talking to? My dog over here. Yeah, say what's up. Oh, you're here with the camera. This is not a cute sight this morning. How are you doing, Ted? You look pretty.
Graham's getting ready.
Yo, I have been so puffy these days. I'll be honest, I think when I eat a lot of sugar at night, it just makes me really puffy the next day. Precious. Oh my god. Graham, could you be like this every single day, man? Oh my god. This is rare. Oh, I need a moment. He's hugging my damn arm. Alright, yo. It's a good day to have a good day. Graham's being extra loving this morning. I have my coffee. I have a few shoots to do, but let's do it! And we're back at my favorite place, the kitchen. Graham, what's up, my man? Graham's just barking at everything he can this morning, so we're going to make some breakfast. It's a good day to have a good day. My dad's in town. Tripod's out, of course. Now Graham's eating my hair. Anyway, y'all know that breakfast is my favorite meal of the day, so I'm gonna take you step by step. My go-to recipe for oatmeal and my eggs. Yeah, we're gonna have some fun, guys. Let's go. I have a famous oatmeal recipe, some tricks that I will show you, and then we're gonna make some eggs and yeah, come watch me cook.
Yum.
All right, so here are my ingredients. Oatmeal situation right over there, and then my eggs are right here. Cheese and tomato, that combination, it really hits the spot. So this is kind of what my breakfast looks like every day. Maybe sometimes cottage cheese with different fruit, but this is like the go-to.
Ooh, what are we making first?
Let's do oatmeal, because I'm gonna get my tripod because we have that food Instagram account that we gotta get that food porn for. I love food. I know I'm in the food. Oh, okay, guys. My food account comes from my love for food. Yeah, Graham, it's gonna be one of those days. Yeah. All right, so let's get this oatmeal popping. Okay, first trick, blend your banana. Make sure it's ripe. The riper, the better. Pour that milk in. Oh, baby. All right, then our blends of banana. That's a baby one, but just pour that right in. We're gonna put some cinnamon in. We're gonna mix it a little bit. Graham, you're being not the best boy today, my man. You're being super bad where a guest is not gonna be so happy you're not gonna hire you again. We're gonna add our oats. Talk oaty to me. Ooh. I have a lot of oatmeal recipes, guys, but this one is a favorite. We're gonna mix that. And then some peanut butter or almond butter, whatever you like. And you're gonna mix that. I like it extra creamy. Ooh. Look at it, look at it. Ooh.
Ooh.
Nice and creamy. And then you can top it off with whatever you want. I like blueberries, I like strawberries.
Chocolate.
Chocolate is life. Oh, it's pumping.
Bubbling.
Wait, what? Oh, ooh. What? This has never happened, guys.
Graham is on guard duty today.
Graham's just not happy today.
We're not sure what he's guarding, but.
Chocolate chips going in for the win. I love a milky oatmeal. Why do I feel like this is about to go wrong? Let's try. Woo! All right. Creamy banana oatmeal with some berries and chocolate on the top.
Gotta go outside to get the shot.
Look at it. Oh, look at it right here. Now, guys, if you want to get your greens in, try this trick. You're going to blend your egg with some spinach. Put the spinach in. And we're just gonna blend it. We're just gonna pour my blended green eggs. You know, I came up with this recipe. Just one day I was like, let me blend my spinach so I'm making an omelet. And it actually is pretty dank.
That's Jen's happy dance.
Yeah, look, you never seen me make my
When
green
she's
egg.
getting ready to eat, she does her happy dance.
Nice.
Yeah, so we just let that bubble up a little bit.
Nice. Like a pancake when it's ready.
Yeah, kind of like a pancake.
That good shot.
All right, and this is, you know,
Yum.
number one is done. Number two. Everything bagel seeds are a trick. Yo, literally put them on everything and it just gives it the perfect season. My breakfast usually looks like this.
Put the eggs.
Usually with some flagel, everything bagel seeds. This is a lot though. This is for everybody. On weekends, this is
Yum.
usually the jam though. Lox on a bagel with some tomato and onion. Oof. Try my oatmeal, Dad.
Delicious. Goes with like pancakes, but it's eggs, right?
I need ketchup. Who else puts ketchup on their eggs?
Is that normal?
Meat. Occasionally when there's meat, like
that where I learned from?
sausage.
So Sundays are a great day to plan for the week and organize. So you start off your Monday on a great slate.
Playoff football.
I don't know if we're gonna join you with that, but we will. How's
Let's fight.
we went, oh dude, this bite I was going for. It was like a double decker and Alright guys, so Audrey's back over there. My dad went to get the barker. And I'm just gonna finish my oatmeal, get organized, do some emails, answer some messages. One of the most asked questions is, do you work out every day? I do not work out every day. Rest days are so important. It's also important to not be so hard on yourself. If you're feeling extra lazy or you just don't feel good, it's okay to miss a workout, to miss 2 workouts. Never too late to get back on track, but do not be so hard on yourself. For the next hour, I'm going to do emails and organize and then get a little stretch workout in. My dad's in town, so we're gonna make a cute lunch and dinner. And yeah, just have a chillin' Sunday. Nothing too exciting over here. Honestly,
right.
everything in New York is pretty much closed. And it's freezing, so just doing my best, stay at home quarantine, homebody life. Kind of a master at that, guys. I am the biggest homebody to begin. So once COVID and lockdown happened last year, it just enabled me to literally stay home and never leave my apartment. Sorry, Mom.
All right. See you later.
See you guys. Mwah.